Welcome to the 100th party hosted by Kara and Nate. Thank you guys so much for being here.
So I just got off work and we're on our way to Nashville, and we're gonna go to the party for Kara and Nate for hitting their 100th country. And if you don't know who Kara and Nate are, they're travel YouTubers. Look them up, they're great, and they're basically just throwing a celebration for 750 people to come to that celebrates them and all they've done the last 4 years of full-time travel. We're on our way to a breakfast place called Puckett's here in Nashville, and I mean, we're staying with one of my friends, so that's what she recommended. She said it wouldn't be as crowded as like the really popular. Today we're just gonna, I don't even know what we're gonna do. And definitely get some coffee, and then we got the tickets so that we can get like a photo with them for sure or whatever. So we'll be there around 2 o'clock-ish.
So we're here at Puckett's in Nashville. We just showed up really close to 11 o'clock, which is when they started ending the breakfast. We just got the buffet. So yeah, I'm on my second plate. Ashley's still on her first. This is some really good food. It's only like 12 bucks. We're enjoying our food before we go to the 2 o'clock meetup with Kara and Nate.
So we're at the venue. We found this little lot with nothing in it that we're gonna park in. We'll find out later if we still have a car, but it's free.
No parking signs.
Yeah,
no one in
there's
the
literally
lot.
nothing here. It's not even like, I don't know.
Pretty close to where it's at. We were afraid we were gonna have to Uber, but I was convinced that I could find a spot, and I did.
We did. We'll probably sit in the car for a little bit longer and finish our coffee. We went to the barista parlor, and it's so good. Like, this is such good coffee. See you inside.
You want to try crickets?
Yeah, we'll try. What is it?
Oh, sorry,
no
I'm
worries.
throwing them at you. So that's what you're eating. Basil crickets.
Oh, yeah.
We have water and then there's popcorn.
Cool. Different. Good. All right, here's a scorpion. All right.
Ready? Go.
Oh, that's so weird.
Is it because you know it's a scorpion, or is it actually
It's like
weird?
squishy, and it's actually kind of juicy. Free popcorn over there at the sign that says free popcorn. And then Just Love Coffee is over here making gourmet espresso-based drinks. They're amazing. I would highly recommend. Welcome to the 100th party hosted by Kara and Nate. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Every time we hit the publish button on YouTube, I'm gonna imagine that that's what happens. It's just been, I mean, such a pleasure to meet everybody here. This is a room filled with really cool people. And the other people who watch our YouTube videos are half as cool as the people who are in this room. Then we have unintentionally built one of the coolest audiences in the world over the last 4 years. We never did a 1 million subscriber giveaway. We decided to do a couple of them on stage tonight.
And 3, 2, 1, go! She's drinking it! I found it, the winner! Sally is the winner! That was so fast! Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
So we haven't opened this yet, but this is our 1 million subscriber play button.
It's crazy.
Thank you. We do owe this to you. I think one thing, obviously we couldn't have done this without 1 million people pressing the subscribe button. But I feel like all we've done on stage to earlier is say thank you. So I think
And cry.
and cry.
Okay, we just finished the Kara and Nate 100th country party.
And we have a new friend. Hi. And we have another new friend, but she's not with us. So this is Sarah.
Hi.
She also lives near us, kind of like 3 hours away. She lives in Kansas City. So that's crazy. And we're both nurses, which is also crazy.
3:45.
We're dedicated people in this car.
I drove for 8 hours.
Yeah.
I got a flat tire.
Yeah, and she's still here. So look at that.
Stick with the regular pancakes. So
Awesome. You guys want to share hash browns?
yeah, sure.
So we came to breakfast at this place called Pancake Pantry, and we waited outside for what felt like literally forever. I think it was like an hour, but I've heard that this is like one of the best places to get pancakes here. And I got the sweet potato pancakes, an omelet with some turkey sausage and onions and cheese. Christian got like a kind of the same thing, but it looks really good, and I'm just assuming it was worth the wait. Definitely want to go see the Parthenon, because we've seen the Parthenon in Athens, and I just want to see like their rendition of it in Nashville, because I think that would be really cool.